Imagine your application's core business logic, the crown jewels of your software. Now, picture it safely inside a hexagon, completely isolated from the messy, ever-changing world of databases, user interfaces, and external APIs. This is the essence of hexagonal architecture. Your core business logic knows nothing about the outside. It only speaks through ports. Think of them as clearly defined contracts or sockets. Everything else, your database, your message queue, your web framework, connects via an adapter that plugs into one of these ports. The payoff is immense. First, unmatched testability. You can test your entire business logic without ever touching a real database. Second, incredible flexibility. Need to swap out a payment provider or migrate to a new cloud service? You just build a new adapter. The core remains untouched. It's a key reason giants like Shopify and Netflix stay so agile. So next time you're at the whiteboard, don't just build layers, build a fortress.